guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing? If you're here for the first time, go ahead and click that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. I'm back, guys. I'm going to show you two proof payments for the Tycoon. One is for the Tycoon and one is for Cash Cow. Okay, so check this out. Here we go. We do this pretty often. The Cash Cow. Now this one, what makes it really special is if you see that circle around the word member, that means one of my teammates actually mailed their postcard, and their postcard had my name in box 2. So when they get paid $100, I get paid $100. Okay, the Cash Cow is pretty cool. You make $100 commissions over and over. It has 2 tiers to it. It's $300 to get in the program, and it tells you this on the card. Okay, you can go check out my website below. You're gonna get 100 cards with this program. The company's gonna mail you 100 full postcards. Okay, front and back, glossy. And then I am going to mail you 200 leads if you join me. Okay, so that's the Cash Cow. You make $100 over and over and over on 2 tiers. Okay, so pretty powerful. All right, so there you have it, $100 from one of my teammates. I have no idea who made the sale. Okay, then if we come over to the Tycoon, and look at those dates. This is recent stuff. Okay, this is pretty recent. All right, so the Tycoon, there we have another $300. Welcome, Miss Banks. I know who that's from. All right, and then if you look at that, that is a money order from the Bank of America. You've heard of them before, right? So $300. Okay, Cash Cow. This one pays out $300 per sale. It includes in your welcome kit 250 postcards and 250 leads. That comes with the program. Okay, and you get your own personal website, just like you saw me show you a minute ago. And if you join me, you're going to get 500 extra leads. So that's going to give you 750 leads to get started with this program. I like to call this a business in a box offline. Okay, you don't even have to touch a computer. Okay, just all you need to do is mail your postcards. Okay, and you see it has a 24/7 number on it. Most people call that number. They go to your website, and your name and number is on your website, so it's personalized. Okay, so if you're looking for a simple way to make money offline from home, you got $300 commissions with the Postcard Tycoon. Or you have the Cash Cow. You make $100 commissions. When your teammate makes 100, you make 100. Now, the other thing about the Cash Cow, also the company offers what they call the 5 for life. Okay, so after every 5th sale, guys, the company is going to send you 500 postcards, 500 leads, and 500 stamps. Okay, that's what's going to keep your business going. And at that point, you don't even have to buy more stamps, because after every 5th sale for life, this is for life, okay? Every time you create the 5th sale, this is what they will do. They also give you the option to receive a $200 commission, a payment. If you don't want to get the 500 postcards, 500 leads, and 500 stamps, they'll just send you $200. It's up to you. But that's an option, okay? I haven't seen a company that's giving you 500 leads, 500 stamps, and 500 postcards after every 5th sale. And the Tycoon I've been with since 2016, so they've been around a long time. The WTM Pub is the company that owns both of these programs, so company's been around a long time. Okay, and I'm a part of 4 different postcard programs with them. Okay, so if you're interested, go ahead and click the link below. I'm gonna put the link below for the Cash Cow. It's the easypostcardincome.com. Or if you're interested in the $300 commissions, go to the postcarddiva.com. All right. Thank you so much for checking out the video, guys. Look forward to working with you. Okay, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Okay, thanks guys. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.